I hope you have seen yesterday CEO of TCS, N. Chandrasekharan. He told that half of TCS employees are going to be replaced by AI. That's what people read, but that's not what he told. He told that there are going to they are going to have the same number of AI agents that are equal to their employee count. So that means TCS is having approximately 5 lakh employees. So they are going to develop or use AI agents which are equal to 5 lakh. So that's what he told. So people got confused and started terrifying that they will lose their jobs. There is nothing as such. So what to do? So you have to learn AI. There is no other option. So you have to learn tools or technologies or things that are related to AI, in and around AI. So that will help you stay in line with the current technologies or trends. And not only that, uh, he told that we are not going to reduce the headcount, uh, but now instead of that, he told that there is going to be less hiring, especially in entrance level jobs, like entry level jobs. So there are hardly any freshers that are going to get recruited, unlike before they used to recruit hundreds or thousands of freshers, especially during end of the year, right? So but now that number is going to reduce. uh, these are like minor impacts which will be there whenever there is any trend or technological change happens. So again, you just try to stay relevant, stay positive, don't get too much panic. There is no help, or there is nothing that is going to help you if you get panic. So keep learning every day, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, that's more than enough. If you learn something new related to AI, so you'll be in line and you will not be surprised one day that you are having that much knowledge just with the 20-30 minutes of reading. So that's it. I hope this helps. Stay tuned.